You've probably used different text-to-speech tools before, but have you ever felt that you are still thinking about previous sentences when the next one has already started? And while you want to have enough time to absorb information, you don't want to slow down the pace of the speech? Surprisingly, the answer actually lies not in the speed of speech, but in the pauses between different parts of the text. With Readvox text-to-speech, you're not forced to adapt to speech pace. You are in full control of speech speed, volume, and even pauses. You can precisely control the pauses between paragraphs, sentences, and even commas. Let's take this speech as an example.
We seek no indemnities for ourselves, no material compensation for the sacrifices we shall freely make. We are but one of the champions of the rights of mankind.
No pauses. That's how you've probably heard it before, in different text-to-speech tools. But with Readvox, you are in control. Let's give this text a try with different pause settings.
The world must be made safe for democracy. Its peace must be planted upon the tested foundations of political liberty. We have no selfish ends to serve. We desire no conquest, no dominion. We seek no indemnities for ourselves, no material compensation for the sacrifices we shall freely make.
This is just an example of an improved speech, but you can imagine how it can help with scientific articles, books, or even Reddit threads. Now, let's dive in and see how to control pauses in Readvox. First, open Readvox and navigate to the Speech tab. Here, you'll find the Pauses section, your new cockpit to control the speech rhythm. Here you have 3 options. Paragraph pauses, control the silence between paragraphs. Sentence pauses, adjust the pause after each sentence. Comma pauses, fine-tune the brief pause after commas. Each selector lets you increase or decrease the pause duration. You can also set the pause just by typing in the number with any precision you want. And finally, create your totally custom pattern that will work just right. With scientific papers, you can set longer pauses to let the information sink in. Several Readvox listeners have already confirmed that they can now understand complex topics markedly better and excel in class. Readvox's pauses control feature isn't just about convenience, it's about making text-to-speech work for you. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves to listen, this feature adapts to your unique comprehension rhythm. If you are tired of text-to-speech apps that sound like a runaway train, it's time to take control of the brakes with the Readvox Chrome extension as your personal reader. Your ears, and more importantly, your brain, will thank you.
Happy to see you join. Let's try it in action. 1. Click extension icon in top right corner. 2. Click play, the blue button in the appeared widget. I am thrilled that you've chosen to try Readvox. Hope you will enjoy this extension, dictating your texts in the most natural human-like voices, making your online journey